Okay, hope everyone is doing all right. Just real quick video on solving systems using Desmos. We're really only looking for where two lines cross each other at, and where they cross, the intersection point is going to be the solution to the system. So there's three different ways that can happen. We can either have one that has one solution if they touch once. If they're parallel and they're never going to touch each other, that's going to be no solution. And if they're exactly on top of each other, exactly the same line, that's going to be infinite solutions. So this should help you out on how to solve systems on that worksheet and on the IXL. You need to go to desmos.com. So you literally just go at desmos.com, and we want to use the graphing calculator. So it's the first thing that should pop up. Start graphing. And we're literally just going to type these problems in. So it's a bunch of different equations. It doesn't matter if it's in standard form, in slope intercept form, in point slope form. It doesn't matter. We can type anything we want. So if we've got, let's say, y equals x plus 1, that's one line. And the other part of the system is y equals negative x plus 2. We can see that the blue line and the red line, they're not the same thing, and they do intersect. That means our solution is going to be right here, and you literally just move over to where they touch each other and click. Boom. That's all you got to do. If you want it as a fraction, we can type these things in, 0.5. If you want that as a fraction, there's this button right here. Change it to a fraction, and it tells you that our intersection is at 1/2, comma 3/2, or you can just leave it as a decimal, 0.5, comma 1.5. So that's if there is one solution. Most of the problems that we're going to encounter are going to touch each other once. So the red line is going to touch the blue line one time. That's our solution. And let's look at some of the other ones. Let's say I've got y equals 2x plus 3, but then I've also got y equals 2x plus 4. So we can see that these lines are parallel. We can tell because they have the same slope, but it's really obvious on the graph because they're never going to touch. This is going to be no solution. Solution. Because they're never going to be touching each other. If you graph two lines, they never touch each other because they're parallel. That is no solution. And the last option is, say I've got something like this. Um, y equals 10 and some kind of variation, 4x plus 10y equals 20. So I'm not sure if it don't look exactly, but when I go and look at the graph, I can click on the different ones. Here's my green line, here's my blue line, they're right on top of each other. So these lines touch each other everywhere. Right? So there's going to be infinitely a solution. So if you've got the exact same line, you just type infinite for all solutions. Hope y'all are doing okay. Help. Um, Only pumping this out for like twice a week with the Khan Academy and IXL and